Hello and welcome back to MHA Insights. Today we are breaking down 3 fundamental concepts in public health, which is disease control, elimination and eradication. I will let you understand using the epidemiological triad, which consists of agent, host and environment. Disease control means reducing the number of cases of a disease to an acceptable level through continuous public health actions. The disease still exists in the community, but we keep it managed so that it does not cause major outbreaks. To understand this, let's take the epidemiological triad. Let's take the example of malaria. The agent over here is malaria parasite. It has got transmitted to the host, which is human being, and the environment includes the stagnant water where mosquitoes breed. To control malaria, we take several actions like spraying insecticides to kill mosquitoes, promoting bed nets to protect the host, and giving the anti-malarial prophylaxis to treat the host, and cleaning the environment by removing the stagnant water. These measures do not completely remove the disease, but they significantly reduce the number of cases. So in simple words, the disease still exists, it's just minimized and kept under control. Now comes the disease elimination. It means reducing the number of cases of disease to 0 in a specific geographic area, but only for the continuous period, usually at least 3 years and through deliberate public health efforts. Let's take the epidemiological triad reference. In elimination, we interrupt the chain of transmission in all the 3 components, the agent, host and environment, but only within a defined region. The disease may still exist in other countries and can return it if control measure stops. For example, India eliminated polio. There are 0 cases within the country, but the virus still exists in few other nations, so surveillance and vaccination must continue to keep the region polio-free. Disease eradication means reducing a disease to 0 worldwide. The disease no longer exists anywhere on the planet and no routine interventions are needed. In eradication, the agent, the susceptible host and the environment conditions that support transmission are all permanently disrupted. Because of this, the disease cannot come back naturally. For example, smallpox. It has been completely eradicated globally. No cases exist anywhere. This is the final and the most permanent level of disease control. Now here's the quick wrap. Think of it like a ladder. Control reduces disease, elimination stops transmission in a region, eradication removes the disease from the entire planet. Same journey, different milestones. For more MHA level clarity in simple words, follow MHA.insights. See you in the next video. Bye.